I'm Brennan Hatton, co-founder of Equal Reality, and I studied computer science at UAW. I'm really excited about the impact that virtual reality can have on our ability to interface and use technology to better human relationships.
I'm Rick, and I'm a co-founder of Equal Reality, and at UAW I studied a double Bachelor of Laws and Commerce. Equal Reality does perspective taking in virtual reality. We essentially do things like diversity and inclusion training, soft skills training.
I think virtual reality itself is in a really unique position because it's the first time that technology has allowed us to actually share experiences and to do things that have otherwise just been completely impossible. Like being able to step into the shoes of somebody else and be able to see yourself as somebody else and then get treated differently based on that. And that's really the core of what we do at Equal Reality. It's about sharing experiences, it's about sharing perspectives.
Perspective and empathy are so crucial in changing behaviours and organisational culture, because at the end of the day, when you want to learn about someone else or have empathy for another person, you literally want to walk a mile in someone else's shoes. And the practice of doing that is perspective taking. And one of the best ways to do that is, say, read a case scenario, maybe hear it, watch a video about a case, or maybe do some role-play acting. And while these methods are the best we have, there are some technologies and tools that actually can enhance these and make you, for example, in virtual reality, you can do things that are impossible, such as literally become someone else. Look at yourself in a mirror and be someone else, and there's research to show that you really identify. As a tool, it's really effective in learning. It starts the conversation, it starts from an accurate place of empathy, and empathy motivates for behaviour change. And we've seen some great results in some of the rollouts that we do with companies and organisations around why VR is actually a really value-adding tool.
I think companies are going to continue using technologies like virtual reality and AI and augmented reality to really improve human connection in the future. I think we're going to see a lot of automation of manual labour, of repetitive tasks and things that don't necessarily require people to interface with each other. And we're going to see a real bloom in people being able to interact with each other in a much more natural and much more confident way.
Yeah, right now we've got employment operations in the UK, Australia and the US, specifically in Washington DC. Some of the clients we're working with are really exciting all around the world. Some of the names are JP Morgan, Commonwealth Bank, Watermark and Amazon.
Accelerators fundamentally shaped my career as an entrepreneur by providing me connections and insights into the community, where I've been able to just from such an early age get an understanding of how to build a company, how to build a business, how to build a community and how to scale impact. For me, the strongest part about my time at UAW was connecting with people outside of my degree that were just studying things they really cared about.
The real benefit of UAW was a part of the international exchange I did and the great relationships that UAW had to allow me to meet some of the best friends I have now, but give me experiences that I could not have had otherwise. And some of these connections and opportunities I had while on exchange have really led me to the position I am in today.